Is that me, babes? Like, side profile, front profile. Ah, it's me, y'all. It's me, y'all. Ah. So hi babes, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and if you're new here, karibu sana. And today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to achieve this look, cause as you can tell, I'm feeling myself and I want you babes to feel yourselves as well. Okay, this cost me like 5 minutes of my time. It's easy, it's quick. And by the way guys, I had this hairstyle on a wedding. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, you know that I was a bridesmaid not long ago and I slayed this hair, got a lot of compliments, and I want you guys as well to get compliments because I want you babes to fly, because we are all babes. Alright, we are babes. Anyway, so if you wanna see that, please stick around. And before I continue, I wanna urge you babes to subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all the good stuff, comment down below, give me a like so that this video gets shown to a lot of YouTube viewers and help grow this channel. It's a new channel, I know, but you know, we have to start somewhere, and you guys are gonna be my building blocks. Okay, so I'm counting on you guys. Please do not let me down, babes. Oh, anyway, let me stop rambling and get into the video. Okay, oh Lord of mercy, like shout. First of all, my hair is so dry, a lot of product buildup. I've been having this hair out for the most time. But yes, I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how to achieve the perfect Afro Puff with that awkward length hair. So this is my hair, so that you don't mind. Like, a babe should not be looking like this. This is embarrassing. This is embarrassing. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is section my hair and then spray some water. What I have is just water. Sometimes I can get rough when you... And then I never use a comb to detangle. First I use my hand. Always use your hands to detangle because you are gonna avoid a lot of breakage. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'll be a dark Corleone. When you're feeling down, feeling low, you'll never be alone. Not when you're right with me. Oh, I won't see no you and me. Every time the things get bad, promise I won't turn my back, even if it takes some time. Never wanna see you cry, girl, you need to know it's life means sometimes that we fight. At least we're sitting side by side. Right now the hair is detangled, and by the way guys, I think I have 4B 4C hair. Let me know what you think, because I actually don't really know precisely, so I like to think I'm a 4B 4C type of hair. And then right now I normally go in with this comb, like with big like this, I don't know what to call them, and then I just try to comb from the, you know, from the ends and then go to the root. And this hair needs to be washed. That is something I'm also doing today, but we are here to show you how to transform that dirty hair to something nice. So babes, I am back. My hair is detangled, so right now I'm just gonna put it in an Afro Puff, and I'm gonna show you guys 2 of the products I use. And don't mind how it's looking, it's gonna be washed today. I just need to come on here and film this because I don't wanna film this when my hair is washed already. So yes, I now go in with this comb and just brush my hair. So the next thing, right now that I've combed my hair, and I normally go in with the Eco Styler styling gel. I use this one, and I've had this for quite some time right now because I love how it feels on my hair. It doesn't leave flakes. So I just take a few puff of, yeah, few things like this, and then I just put it on my hair like this. By the way guys, this is the hairstyle I wore during the wedding. I was a bridesmaid, by the way. If you follow my main channel, you have seen the video, and if you don't, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? So I just go in with the Eco Styler gel. I take a generous amount because, you know, the hair has to be laid, you know, as for C hair types. It's a struggle, babes, it's a struggle. Ooh, shout, Lord Jesus, Lord Jesus. But anyway, trust the process, guys, trust the process. So after I've applied a little bit of the Eco Styler gel, I go in with the got2b extra glued styling gel. This is normally for edges, but I just use it on my hair as well, like on my whole head. I just take a small pump. So after that, I just take this hair tie, put my hair in the position that I want it to be. Like that. This is where I like to have my ponytails, and then right now I'm just gonna do my edges, and I know I look like I'm bald, girls. Anyway, let me do my edges. I don't want it any other which way. When it gets rough, I promise I'll stay. Oh, my heart beats every time you look at me, even when it gets real bad. Never gonna turn my back, even if it takes some time. Never gonna leave you behind. Girl, you need to move. So the edges have been done. This one turned out quite well, but yeah, it is what it is. And then now I go in with this. I just tie it around my hair so that my hair can dry and can be laid, right babes? And I'll be back when you're looking a little bit presentable. So I am back, guys. I did my makeup, and right now I'm gonna go ahead and install the extension. First of all, let us look how my hair is looking. Ooh, ooh. Child, like, bro, is that me? Like, look at that, my hair is laid. And right now, this is the Afro Puff. I got this at a local store here in Brussels. It comes with these two clips and a drawstring. So what you want to do is make sure that when you're clipping the afro, you're clipping it on the bun and not on your scalp, because I did that once and my scalp was struggling like. So I've just done it like once. Like I said, you don't have to make it too tight because it's gonna hurt your head, right? So right now what I'm gonna do is just puff it a little bit to give it some volume. And as you can see, you're looking good, right? This hairstyle is about like 5 minutes of your time, and you're gonna look like $1,000,000. You're gonna catfish everyone, babes. Like, I'm giving you free ways to look cute even when your hair is dirty. Who could tell my hair was dirty? No one could tell, right? So this is the finished look. This is the Afro Puff. Normally what I do is spray it a little bit with some shining, you know, spray, but right now I ran out of it because, like I said, I've been wearing this hairstyle for quite some time, and now the bottle is finished. I'm only doing this right now to film this video and show you guys how I slayed the wedding, right? It's cute, right? Cute. So that is basically it, guys. So asanteni sana, babe, for watching video up to this point. And if you liked it, please do not forget to like, comment down below what you think of this look. Is this something you will try? And also gather around in the comment section. Let us take a selfie with this hairstyle, because we are all cute and we are supposed to be looking cute all year round, summer, winter, spring, fall. So asanteni sana for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Nawapenda sana, and bye bye. Mwah.